I cannot fix those. Those are not your shoes. Those are Daniel's shoes. We got to be by the monitor. If Daniel needs us, we're here. Do you want to run now? You can run. Run over there. Just run. You want to run over there? Go for it. Yes. Yes, go. Go, go, go.
See, it's those black seeds I think they like blue.
Yeah.
I put a bunch of the black seeds my mom gave on one side to see like whether they eat one or the other more.
Oh, and then I mixed it up, and then Daniel resorted it because you didn't communicate.
I was wondering what was happening.
I want to get the bird in the little hole though.
I wonder if we should have it higher up. Just let him eat. So cute.
That is a good-looking bird. Who is this? Oh, look, he's got a friend.
What? Who's his friend?
Right there.
Who is his friend?
Yellow, but a different yellow.
Really? Is he lost?
I don't know. Cement truck.
Oh, jamoncito.
We're gonna clean you up. Poor baby. We're trying to work out here, duck. How come you're looking so cute? Cute little duck. Yeah.
Good. Nice. Awesome. Butter. 5 on each leg. I'm gonna look up some more drills because again I want to see if there's maybe some drills that work better for you. The flutter kick was so powerful for me.
We're at Five Guys picking up food. Super Wings, let's go.
Sure if Dad can show it to Mama.
Of what?
The song.
Sure, why?